On today's body cam, we're checking out when you're too drunk to form a single thought.
Hey.
Hello, I'm Officer McCullough, St. Augustine Police Department. So the reason I'm stopping you, you kind of passed by me up here going a little fast, but the main reason is you ran the red light right there.
I ran the red light?
Yeah,
no,
that was a red arrow. Yep.
No, I didn't. I'm sorry.
That was a red arrow.
All right, I'm sorry.
Okay, where are you coming from?
From Ormond Beach.
Ormond Beach?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You just visiting for the day?
No, my friend's up there.
Okay.
Can you pull over?
You're coming from Ormond Beach, but Ormond Beach is south. That's north.
That's away.
Huh?
That's away. Ormond Beach.
Ormond Beach is south of here. You're pointing north. You're coming from north.
All right, okay. When we pull over?
You are pulled over.
All right.
Do you have a driver's license on you?
Yes.
You got anything illegal in the car? Guns, knives,
No.
drugs, weapons, anything like that?
No.
Have you had anything to drink today?
No, absolutely not.
Oh, damn. Yeah, bullshit. Bullshit. You gotta be shitting me. You ain't have nothing to drink. God damn, you done drank the whole bottle, man. If you drinking beer, if you're a beer person, you done had the whole 6-pack, 18-pack, 12-pack, 24-pack, 36-pack. Man, god damn. You are in no shape to be on these roads, man.
Here you go. No, I don't drink.
Where do you live?
Ormond Beach.
You live in Ormond Beach, but
Yes.
your driver's license says Leesburg?
No, that's why I live at Ormond Beach.
But why does your driver's license say Leesburg?
That's where my property is.
Okay.
Yes.
So you still have property in Leesburg?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I'm just driving around. I'm sorry. I'm not
Driving
I'm
around?
Sorry.
Okay, just hang out.
All right. Thank you.
Yep.
She thinks she gonna get a warning.
Yo, so she passed me up here at North Ponce and Rambla, like flying by me. So I come up, catch up to her. We get to the light at Ponce and 16. She's in that left turn lane, like heading southbound, the left turn lane that would turn onto Piccolata. The light's red, so she just totally blows that and makes a left turn, U-turn, and starts coming back up this way. So like I'm gonna stop her because she ran the red light.
All right.
Make contact with her. She's telling me she's coming from Ormond Beach, but she was coming from that direction, northbound to southbound, and
Ormond
she's
Beach, South Carolina.
yeah, and she's like slurring her words and displaying weird behavior. So
Okay.
I'm writing her a red light ticket right now, but then I'm gonna pull her out of the car in a second.
Okay. I'm chill. All right. Yeah.
And then you see, that's why I say sometimes, you don't have to answer all the extra questions, right? Because we see in their private conversation, that's part of him using that against you. You know, anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law, whatever, right? But you have the right to remain silent. You have the right to remain silent. That's what you should do. Hand over the paperwork and remain silent. Because, see, she says that she's going she's coming from one direction, but she's pointing another direction. And these small little details help to build the case.
Like I ever obeyed on.
Yeah, then I like lit her up well before the interchange, and she proceeds to pull in here and just stop right here. I was like, what the? Why don't you stop back there?
Get her together. She's too drunk. Let's go.
All right, so do me a favor. I don't know if you're nervous or what's going on, but you're showing a little bit of signs to me that could be indicative of impairment.
No.
I don't know if it's impairment or everything, so I want to rule that out, okay?
Okay.
What I want to have you do is step out of the car. We're just going to do some field sobriety tests. Are you willing to do that?
Yeah. Okay. For what reason, though?
Because you're showing signs of impairment. I want to make sure you're okay to drive.
I'm perfectly good to drive. I'm good.
Do you want to do that or no?
Yes.
Okay, so can you step out of your vehicle?
That's what I am.
What do I need this
I'm
for?
also just like a veteran.
Okay.
Yes.
What that got to do with anything? Are you trying to ask for favorable treatment? Because you're a disabled veteran? You want some favoritism?
Are you willing to perform standardized field sobriety exercises?
With my friend.
Huh?
Friend. Come on. I'll call my friend.
Are you willing to do that?
Yeah, call my friend.
Are you willing to do that, ma'am?
I'm gonna call my friend.
So if you don't want to perform standardized field sobriety exercises, I'm going to have to make a decision based off observation. Okay.
Don't, please don't arrest me. Please, I'm not. No. I'm 100% disabled veteran.
Okay, but do you want to perform standardized field sobriety exercises?
Please, but hang on, hold on, please.
Hold on.
No, hang on.
We're not calling a friend. It's a yes or no question.
No, I have to call my friend.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Step out of the car.
All right.
Step out of the car.
Okay.
Step out of the car. 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 Get out of the car now.
Oh, you're.
Face that way.
Okay.
Put your phone down now. Put your phone down. Put your phone down. Put your phone down. Put your other arm behind your back.
Oh.
Stop.
I'm not arrested.
Okay, so you forced me to make a decision based on observation. You're slurring your words. You got dilated pupils, bloodshot water in your eyes. Okay, you smell like alcohol beverages, so you're gonna go to jail for DUI. Are you willing to provide a breath sample?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Let's hop in the car. Do you have anything on you?
No.
Okay, just stay here for a second.
I don't know what that is. Anything in it? Cold.
Blue Hawaiian, 10% alcohol.
Yeah.
It's a little warm
Didn't she say she didn't even drink? She don't even drink? She said that earlier.
to the touch, but it's still got some, what do you call that?
Condensation.
Condensation, there you go. All right, I gotta read something to you. So I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content when you take the test.
No.
Okay. If you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for the first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you've been previously suspended under Statute 327.35215 for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under Section 327.35215 for refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor in addition to another penalties, which can be imposed by you. Refusal to submit to the test I requested is admissible in evidence in any criminal proceeding. Do you still refuse? Yes?
I refuse you.
Perfect. All right.
Perfect. Hey.
Yeah. The nurse can ask you a few questions first. No.
How are you?
Hi, how are you? Good.
Look at that girl talk. Hey, how you doing?
Yes, I'm 100% disabled American veteran.
It's verbally uncooperative.
What? I am 100%. You don't want to see my knees?
We'll talk more about
See
that.
my knees? I have to stand. My knees hurt.
Okay, I see how this
My
is
knees
gonna go.
hurt.
Let's go.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna go around the back of the car.
Whoa. You can't do this. You can't do this with my knees. Whoa.
She's telling you to walk, you're gonna walk.
Oh.
This is not your day. This is their day. They tell you what you do, and you're gonna do it. You got it?
My knees?
Felicia was charged with DUI, possession of paraphernalia for marijuana, resisting without violence, possession of an open
Oh my goodness. Damn. She got open container, possession again, and refusal. Oh man.
adjudication was withheld on the open container charge, and she was found guilty on the remaining charge.
Okay, and she was found guilty on the remaining charges.
Reporting probation and 50 hours of community service.
Looking for answers as the world goes by. Watching the reality hit the screen. The craziest moments that you've ever seen.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know what I'm saying? Debuting a new outro. Man, we gonna run it back, man. You talk about, man. Now I'm out.